Hello kids, earlier we have learned how to write the first line of Vyanjan. Today we will learn how to write ch se charkha, ch se chhatri. First of all, we will learn how to write ch se charkha. Make a standing line. At a short distance, make a small sleeping line. Then make a curve which will touch the standing line. At the center, like this. At the top, make a sleeping line. This is ch se charkha. Now we will learn how to write ch. Make a small standing line. Make a curve like this. Then again make a curve adjoining with this. Go upwards and make a loop like this. At the top, make a sleeping line. This is ch se chhatri. Let us revise it again. We will write ch like this. Make a standing line. At a distance, make a short sleeping line. Then make a curve like this, which will touch the standing line. At the top, make a sleeping line. This is ch se charkha. Now we will write ch like this. Make a standing line. Then make a curve. Again make a curve. Go up. Make a loop like this. At the top, make a sleeping line. This is ch se chhatri. Thank you.